Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady, and today, guys, we're going to talk about FHA203k loans. That is a mouthful, so what the heck is it? What is a FHA203k loan? Well, if you ever found a property, you're like, wow, I could really see myself living here. It just has too many things that I need to do to it in order for me to feel comfortable moving into it. So what is the remedy for that? It's an FHA203k loan. So they give you money to buy the house, but they also give you money to renovate it. Oh, look at that. So there's a way around that. You have money to buy and money to renovate. Now, one of the things about FHA203k loan, not all lenders do it. So it's not like you could go to your PNC or your Wells Fargo or, I don't know, another bank and just say, hey, now instead of doing a regular loan, I want you to flip me into a 203k loan. Not all lenders do it. So you probably have to get a referral from your real estate agent. I'm sure they have a recommendation as to who will be able to do that 203k loan for you. Now, there's different, there's like two programs within the 203k. There's if you borrow under a certain amount and then over a certain amount. So if you're over 35,000 and over, then that's called a full 203k. And with that type of loan, you need what's called a HUD specialist. That HUD specialist is there to act as the liaison between you, the buyer, and the contractor. They're going to come out, scope the work, and figure out how many draws, we're going to say, is going to take in order to get the job done. So the larger the renovation project, the more draws you need. Meaning, okay, after you have completed XYZ, then HUD specialist comes out, they evaluate the work, then they cut the check to the contractor. With that being said, contractors, oh my goodness. This is going to either make or break your, I'm not going to say make or break, it's either going to make your situation better or worse depending on the contractor that you choose. The contractor is a very important part of this project. And I really suggest that it's one that has actually done a 203k before. Needless to say, contractors aren't the best with paperwork, and with 203ks, there's a ton of paperwork that needs to be processed, and it's best if you choose a contractor who's done it before because they'll be more familiar with the paperwork and willing to do the paperwork in order to get the job done. Again, maybe a referral you can get from your real estate agent or maybe even the lender themselves because they are also the ones who are actually, giving these loans out. Last but not least, interest rates. Interest rates are typically higher with this type of loan because they're not just giving you money to buy, but they're also giving you money to renovate. So the, what's the word I'm looking for? They have, I guess, more to lose is what I'll say. The bank has more to lose, so they're going to put a little bit of a premium on that to make sure that they're going to be covered in all of this. So that's pretty much it for 203k, guys. I know it's a mouthful. I will have a lender on here probably soon to give you more information about what 203k is and how you can get involved if that's something you're interested in. And one last thing, 203k is not for everybody. You do need time to commit to the actual project itself because in a typical deal, once the deal is done, then typically you move into your house or maybe you paint or remove some carpet. But with the 203k, that's when all the fun begins. That's when the HUD specialist gets involved. That's when contractor comes in after the deal settles. And if you don't have the time to commit, then I wouldn't recommend it for everyone. I think that's it. Make it a great day. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Bye.